Okay, on this occasion, I would like to explain about the cloud in a glance. We should know first the terminology and what the benefits when we use the cloud. The cloud terminology is the computing data processing via network. We can use the cloud to save our data and our privacy matters. And the benefit itself, we can pay depends on what we need, and the cloud without initial investment means we don't have to pay first to use the cloud, and then it can bring the efficient and the effectiveness, it's scalable and its flexibility. Okay, and there's three clouds computing service. The first one is infrastructure as a service. The infrastructure as a service is containing the IT infrastructure. And for the instance, it like our devices, it's such a handphone as our necessity. Sorry, I mean our devices that we often to use. And then the second one is the platform as a service or PaaS. Is such a rent. We can rent this platform for the particular needs. Uh, on this particular time, it tends to more like the Android and the iOS and something like that to operate the infrastructure that we have. And the third one is the software as a service or SaaS. It's able to use in a real time. We don't need to know its technical saving and data processing. It seems like the Gmail, the Yahoo, and the application in our devices. And the usage of model cloud computing divided into three elements. The first one is the public cloud. The public cloud is used uh, by people around us to save their data, to save their and privacy data, and there's a benefit when we use the public cloud. It like we don't need to maintain the infrastructure of the application, and we can reduce the operational fee, and we can pay as we want, sorry. And for the weaknesses, it rely on the speed of the internet, and there's a security or some security issues. But for the private cloud, uh, it used to fulfill the internal needs of the particular organization and the company. The benefit is the private cloud is our data can be more safe because the security uh, is more good, and then uh, it only rely on the intranet, not in the internet. And but there are some weaknesses when we use the private cloud. It like we need to spend our money to build the big infrastructure, and then need more the manpower to maintain and to manage it. And then the last one is the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is the combination between public cloud and the private cloud. The hybrid cloud can be used to help us to maintain our when we have a lot of data. Our it's like this. It's like the confidential one. It like the unconfidential one. We can use it. And when our data saved in the private cloud is being full, we can use the public cloud as the backup one, and it more flexible to use, and then it also can bring us the scalable, and then more efficient too. But there's weaknesses when we use the hybrid cloud. It like we need a big consideration to build the internet infrastructure to handle it, and then we need the tight regulation depends on the particular organization and the company. Okay, thank you very much. I hope my explanation will bring us our understanding, our common understanding, and uh, I accept about the credit one, and the things that can make me improve. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.